Miti ni mihadi. We.
Yes, Lord.
Ndiri. Ndirangi tole duga. Ndiri kindu dieda. Ndiri kindu gieda.
We nama.
Ngiri na mwathani.
We nama.
Is my
shepherd. Ndanyita uri urageria kuga.
My mao. Ni my mao. Ni mai. Ni my mao. My mao.
Maini.
Mao.
Mari na uhuroko. Eni.
Yakwa ni ngoro cianyu. Ni cianyu irio ketia.
Tuanze.
Tushaanza.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, anake na airetu. Mwathani agocwo.
Tajirigi.
Ladies and gentlemen, anake na airetu. Mwathani agocwo kanitha.
Hallelujah. Amen.
Muthenya wa umuthi.
Yes, Lord.
Tukana kiundu kiumite na kuria ngoro-ini thiini. Mwathani ni atuonekanire kada kuonekanire. Yeah? Look at the glow.
Kire andu angi uri aranjikira yani. Because this is not just H2O. Itimai tamaka.
Na vegetables. The Lord has done it.
He has done it.
Nikii hawo muthi. After almost a year. You know that we are almost hitting a year since tufanya hii podcast tena.
The
Lord needs to visit that side, that sector.
But we are back. But
for a long time, probably. For a long time.
Yeah.
Muthenya wa muthi turariria horo wa relationships. Right? Are you dating?
Okay.
Nidoka
it is slow down, Tisha. You have come too much. No, come on, no.
You can ask me.
Are you dating?
The Lord is my shepherd.
He is.
Yes.
He leadeth you
in greener pastures. Mwathani, the Lord is my shepherd. Mwathani ni murithi wakwa. The Lord is my shepherd. Yeah. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Ndiri kindu ingienda. Ndiri.
Atakiri.
Ndiri kindu ingienda.
Yes, Lord.
Ndiri. Ndirangi tole duga. Ndiri kindu ndienda. Ndiri kindu ingienda.
We nama.
Ngiri na mwathani.
The Lord
is my shepherd.
Ndanyita uri urageria kuga.
The Lord is my shepherd.
Ni mahutire kindu ngienda.
Ni thaisi haria maundu manginyithitie. Ni ona ni ndrona uria tungikorwo na partnership na kambuni ta ya Kiraia. Kiraia metagwo atia maguta ma Kiraia.
Jesu ni we murithi.
Wa ng'ondu citu.
Rekona ni we
ng'ondu. Ng'ondu. Ni de ng'ondu. Me is ng'ondu.
Yeah, you are God. God is you.
I am not goat anymore. No. Life is very confusing.
No, rwimbo ndirona.
Rora thafuri 23 kamuhari ka mbere nginya haria maguru-ini.
Ketuone.
Nginya haria maguru-ini.
Ino. Jesu ni we murithi. Jehova.
Niwe
murithi wakwa. Ndiri kindu ingiaga. Atumaga njarahe. Urithio-ini niguo. Urithio-ini uri nyeki
nduru. Nyeki nduru. It's a green grass.
Yes. Adongoragia.
Maini. Mai mao. Ni mai mao. Ni mai. Ni mai mao. Mai mao.
Maini.
Mao.
Mari na uhuroko.
Niguo.
Eni. Ni ariukagia ngoro yakwa.
Niguo.
Akariukia ngoro yangu.
Yakwa ni ngoro cianyu. Ni cianyu iriuketia. Kiundu-ini kiu ni kiundi.
akandongoria njĩra-inĩ cia ũthingu nĩ ũndũ wa rĩtwa rĩake ai kanitha mwathani agocwo.
Namba ya M-Pesa inapita pale chini. Nambari ni gani?
Ni 07 kifungo mugwanja
noti. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Wow.
It's been a minute.
Yes, that's a beautiful introduction.
A beautiful one. I love it.
Anyway, Ngai akoretwo mwega. Nĩnjũĩ nĩ tuikarĩte mũno.
Yeah, of course.
No nĩ tuingire ndani ya topic of the day.
The topic of the day toria tuambiriri kuga is relationships.
Yeah.
How are things going for you? How are things going for you? Ata wewe ona wewe uretwirorera maundu maikire atia
uria tondu thikũ ici magũthũkĩte ma. Reke twambie na kuga atĩrĩrĩ niĩ ndirakenio nĩ ũrĩa gũtuĩtwo nĩ ũrĩa gũtuĩkĩte tondũ andũ maratũma kũndũ kũhane ta hatarĩ kĩndũ kĩega kĩngĩkĩka in that sector.
I get you.
Warora media-inĩ warora social media, Facebook, Instagram, agaki waria na andũ breakups left, right and center. Yani gũthũkĩte. Ngeyũria atĩrĩrĩ wenda kuga tutigakinya hau? Urenda kuga tutikagia andu tungikara nao na
I think situation in area tuli ni riri ni generation because the generation area tuli na other isiri did na patience na gikone ki patience ni wetereri also like uko we patient na maundu turenda maundu gita what here microwave quick fast. If it's good go na kiundu kigia maundu mathie faster tumenye haria turathie after all because after on a drone later ni muthenya ngidirona TikTok ya mwiritu ngikiuga atiriri how nowadays it's better, it's easier kumenya mood because even like sex happened so fast ukamenya do I want to be with this person ginya how ure urakora ni umenyire this is not the type of a person I want to be with.
Yes,
which is okay. But igakinya hado kabia kuko we into someone but huyo mtu hayuko hapo. So igako ni the issue of commitment, the issue of respect haiko, the issue of what else comes with a working relationship: respect, commitment,
patience.
Yeah, na patience and all that. Because it's your new values siko inborn.
Yes.
Na gikodole nasio as you're starting up a relationship, then there's nowhere you're going. So I would say that's the big problem. No, the values of a relationship kuko sitirekirirwo.
Na uga ati turenda maundu quick fast, maundu microwave. Onokorwo hena mwena umwe advantageous. Ati no umenye mundu no umenye na mutika teanire mother. Yeah. Gwiciria nyingi there is another side. Uthukaga tondu riu ri angikorwo ndenda ngumenye tukamenya na for a while tuge onoko ni mweri umwe already sex ishafanyika niguo. You see ino yagirwo gukorwo ikindu taciari yagirwo gukorwo twagirirwo kwambia primary tambia nathari B Uleke ginya 8 ithuĩ tureka 844 tigana na CBC
talking stage
ni tuthi uria twagirirwo guthio noko ni microwave. Na microwave na mweri uyu mweri no menya no tuthi uguo oru ni ati turathie by the time turamenyana thiko 2-3 tusha engage. We've already had sex.
Is it wrong?
I feel like it is. I feel like priorities iria twikirite ri stiagirirwo gukorwo guo tondu riri uria Ngai a designite ri ni ungejuria this is a personal opinion, this is a spiritual perspective yakwa uria Ngai a designete undu uyu ri mwagiriirwo mumenyane mukorwo na wetereri muthie through maundu maria mwagiriirwo guthie through in life nona mukaigwo in different situations mukona uria mundu abehaveaga in those different situations arafu ri hakinya haria Ngai arenda hakinyeri etikira mwathie mwamwira mauga Ngai uyu niguo turenda ri mbere yake na mbere ya andu ri nona then you move to the next step uria twikite ri we've based kiundu giki giothe on sex. So you feel so. Like kama haiwork hivo atiri hando tungithie
well no tuthie but dina curia ni waririria horo wa co-involve Ngai in all this.
Yes,
like God is the designer, yeah?
Yes.
So Nikii uria kiria nyamba kwiyuria ni riri okay guy because in everything that I do I try to involve God as much as you're nasty and all that. I want to Mungu nijui Ngai ni dagira gasira itagire kugera nakauma kega tikati makoru no thino uri ukiriho ni riri mwathani Ngai ndinjira inejega
wakiuga we mwenyewe ni wagira gasira utagire kugira
no like with this person am I doing the am I in the right path with this person? Is this the person? Yeah, is this a person?
Newe oyo.
And in that mystery ninya da co-involve patience todo arere dreda gomenye as much as nidra involve Ngai in it but ni hakona confusion nyingi muno todo arere whether you start with na hiyo the sex part of it ama you don't lazima itaifika hiyo point.
Yes.
Whether it will take you 2 years,
yes,
whether it will take you 2 days,
yes,
itaifika hiyo position,
yes,
na kuna kitu you'll be like I overrated you or something or I underestimated you, like we realize kitu, oh my God, this is what I've been looking for.
Yes.
This is the kind of chemistry I've been looking for. But that is what you have been looking for. You don't know what they are looking for.
Right. Unaweza kuwa no ukoro wewe hega no
like, this is not what I want.
Yeah.
So I think it's a matter of mutual agreement. Where read the key. I would actually prefer, like, me when I find myself in such situations, what I do, I talk to the person. Hey, this has happened. Where are we headed? Tunaenda? What did we just do? What are we doing? I want to be aware of every situation. Nisiwai jichocha kwa akili yangu, kwa mind yangu nijiambie.
Lutorauga relationship wise, as in relationship yothe kana this one sector ya sex.
No, the whole thing, because the fact that tumefika hapo, me, I don't want to be involved with you, with anyone else. I want to be with you and you alone.
Riu no akiona, riu hau niho turahitia. Na niho ndirageria kuga. Tondu riri, by the time turakinya hau ri, twagirirwo gukorwo twariririe maundu maya mothe. Tukamenya. Isi nĩcio expectations yakwa. Niguo? Niguo nyendaga.
Well, life ile turaikara ni riri. Vitu zina happen so fast.
Ni tutigetige
the mistake. Right now, I don't think unaweza control that.
You have to. Ndakora if angĩkorwo turenda maundu macenjie, we have to. Tondu ni
ita
work.
With who?
With me.
Because me,
with me.
I don't think it work because me sitaki ku waste time on anyone. I don't want to waste time.
But it's not just anybody. No, na.
Whoever it is, I don't want to waste time with them. Whoever it is, hata kama you are my dream, wewe nilikuwa na, like, you are the person I used to dream about nikiwa mdogo, and I get you. I still don't want to waste time nikijaribu moving with the right paths, na maybe we hauko uko. So mimi wacha zi happen as fast as they can happen. Zikisha, well and fine, it was not meant to be. Mimi niguo jugaga.
Formula yo ri yo rauga ri ni reti yo tukoretwo tugitumira.
Well, at some point inafanya.
Aliama kirudia.
Like gwire, why I think in a work with some people. Yes. Why I think in a work with some people is the moment almost like nona tari udaisi. I would do like tumeongea na wewe a few minutes ago, and I feel like uko kwa position yenye your mind is so settled right now.
Tatigana ni.
No, like for you, I would say your mind is settled. You know what you want, who you would want to be with, and all that.
Yes.
Alafu upatane na mtu. Well, they want you, but their things hawataki. So they just want to have you for a good time, not a long time.
Yes.
But how are you expressive? But for you, wewe uko settled. So anakuweka kwa dilemma ya so imagine hata mwanze on a clean street, there's nothing that has happened, but mtu I express that mimi I'm not here for a long time.
I'm here for a good time.
A good time. This person is not expressing that. Usinugua dhina wako. That's why anasema I would rather have
maudo madhie
as fast as they can, ndio nisi waste time na wewe. Because imagine uni mtu ataku waste, because you'll invest in the emotions, invest your time with this person, but kwa akili yao hawako hivyo.
Maudo madhie
iko bubbly.
Tuga maudo madhie henyari, they go as fast as possible. Technically we are just talking about sex.
You think so?
Yes, because what else is there to go? Okay, to the henya tumenya ni ati as in ungemenya na ati henya as in.
Well, I always feel like there's something that comes with when the sex happens. There's some kawor kabre kagogo kabia kurehe the true you.
And what your
intentions, kabia ukosi very clear. You are just out there. You are looking for your good time, but una find out, oh, I actually like this person more. I want to spend more time with you. I want to do whatever we did the first day. I want to do it more and more, and still create the chemistry.
Reke ngukira anatwaria ha atwaria itha tigwicire he handu he gukinya tuiguane on this matter. Na ti ati ndiranyita uria urauga na formula iria uguo urauga uguo urenda
I would also want your formula.
That formula has been tried and tested.
Tested and approved.
No, it has not been approved. It is tried and tested. Na bado no era testwo even today. Na generation ino turi. Toni na towe. Niguo. Rende korete in such situations. And clearly, direko reagirwo gwika. We are not, it is not functional. Nona nikio tohana uria tohana andu yani fogothari when it comes to that sector yani twi horu ngai twi yani ni koru mani oi mani koru
I can't
ni aterere andu ni matige ihenya ona korwo ni ihenya riu ritiga gutware ati handu riu wera ati ukumenya mundu uyu wega after the sex. It is a huge lie. That should not be a priority. Ega corrupt maundu mo. No menye uria twirite hakiri-ini ri ati this is the one thing. Umenye that is one of the things yenye mwagirirwo gwikara thi mukaririria. Na ithu tutikorwo na patience yoguo. Ingioka you engage, I am not happy. Jagire gukanga kwira kinuthia haha na haha ri hatina thie wega. Nona? And for us to have conversation, for us to kinya handu tungikara thi twaririria maundu ta mauri, we are supposed to be yani on another degree ya communication. na that degree of communication ndĩngĩkorwo ũguo bua nĩ andũ moaine makaria about other things makambia natharĩ AB makaingira class 1 magakinya 8 makarikia form 4 makaingira riu university twe university nona onokorwo wi mwana mugi ukuruga natharĩ B kana utwarwo kuma natharĩ B utwarwo 4 nona bado no urathi uria wagirirwo guthie kirathi ni urathi uria wagirirwo guthie hatire handu urugite ni ugi ucio waku urakurugia nona kuona tonda maundu microwave
but how okay
twagirirwo guthie
okay ni sawa it's okay but ni point ile igikinya atirire okay this happened your mistake really happened so there's no solution to it.
There is.
What's the solution?
You stop.
No, like it happened, assuming it may happen with you and someone else, and it may happen as microwave version of it,
as in it may happen alafu tukatigana kana.
No you, both of you want to pursue what could come out of it.
Oh yes, and the Kiraia has Kiriada.
The microwave has microwaved. What's the solution to that?
Tumepashana.
Yeah. You know?
Sasa hapo kwa kajoto kupashana. You have already passioned the joto. You have microwaved the microwave. The microwave has microwave.
Yes.
What to do from there?
Yeah.
Then we stop making it a priority.
No, nauliza ime happen kwako Joan, ime happen na wewe that you met this person and then it may happen evil.
Yes.
It may take your direction. So do you say that since you've tested, approved that this does not work, you'll stop it at that point? Ama you'll try and look for solutions to maybe find out if it naeza work ama what do you do?
What exactly is not working? The relationship because of the sex. Kananiki ketara
this is what you say. It has been tested that going through your direction it may happen umeanza na sex you didn't start with the nursery, primary, secondary, university mumekuja kama mmeingia high school high school ama mmeingia hamkujoin nursery umekuja kama mmeingia class 4
nitokiingira class 4.
Do you stop at that ama do you say let's see where this will take?
No, diragitiganike.
Okay.
Mahitia ni dirauga nie dire haha nigetha hane riri ati anga ni nie uria thanda anga die koraga we I am not digged.
Ire magidari ka ni
mere mother of Jesus. Magdari ni agadari we dali mwe.
Dali ugo ndiramuona.
Magdari ni
ni Magdalena
Magdalena gari wito off the earth yeah
of the world
mother of Jesus niwe utahu yani utetia utekaga
anyway
nake tigani hau ndio gatiriri nie ndire anga muthingu of the best and ne joy situation station is yokaga
actually
na gainyo mere no ituri ni aga
so that's why like it happen evil. I still want God's guidance in this and I'm like
definitely
okay guide me. I know nimeanza on a wrong foot but that does not mean that I cannot pursue this.
So
when that happens, how do you go about this? How do you go back to revise nursery, then come back to class 1, 2, 3 and continue from class 4? Because I feel like ikianza class 4, you go ahead with class 5 and 6 as you revise nursery. And there's too much work happening that needs a lot of patience, needs a lot of understanding, needs a lot of communication in every way. So, nikijipata kwa hiyo situation and I found out that there's somewhere kuna communication breakdown. That's why I end my thing. Because if we cannot communicate about certain things, agikoto tigere really maudo uncomfortable about what exactly is happening between the two of us, then there's no need of going way too far with this, because you'll never change.
Yeah.
You'll never change to a person mwenye you communicate. So if you don't if we cannot talk about iso uncomfortable communication, comfortable talks and comfortable conversations, well, we are still in class 4 revising nursery, primary, then I don't think inaweza enda anywhere. What do you think?
I think I think there are two ways ungithia about it. Wewe kora class 4 to ni ugithire na ni wekora class 4
iguo mwalimu
sokera ciana ni cia sokera gai heka undu utananyita class ndigwiciria it still happens. Ndunanyita kaundu murabundithirio class 3 coka class 3 nigetha unyite kiundu kiu tiga kuona to utangicoka thutha no ucoke thutha. Undu uyu ri maundu maya ma class 4 tiga kumaiga me priority tondu ti priority tondu amaiga uguo nimo megutuma mutika.
It's never a priority.
Nimo megutuma riri meguka ma corrupt maundu maya mo because of that one thing. Abotiga na undu uyu mutige go prioritize mwambie haria mwagirirwo kwambia. Ona uyoka kwi Ngai wa mwira nie ni hitetie ri ndiroka ati nie ni hitetie arafu thie na mbere kuhitia. Nona wagirirwo ko Ngai ni oi ni joy ni oi ni amenyaga mere no hito ni thiaga uguo ega gwika uria no riu ri uru ni ati tuthiaga we ungiigua ati ta weige in that situation no menya Ngai ni mwega weige in that situation where mundu agakuhitiria rimwe ngoka ngakuhoya mbia ngathie ngeikara nacio wiki imwe na ndirakwirire guikara nacio muthenya umwe. Nona koguo ri mithenya eno ya muico etatu ya wiki iyo ri ukaga kindu gia kuria afu ngagucokeria mbia. Next time ngoka ngakuhoya tiga guikara nacio wiki imwe ngeikara nacio wiki igiri oikara wiki na nuthu ndonaria ntondu wakwa tondu ndina mbia na ndaugire ni nguco ni ngacokia nacio nyingi ngacoka we by the time ndirahoya ria gatatu ni ukuhe mbia icio.
Well, no.
Ndugitikira
because de modo no Ngai
ni kinduga Ngai ri ndari undu ucio na ni tugerie kuonaga that ndari undu ucio nigetha woka wa mwira njohera ari tigutinda ugicokera kindu kiria no ikorire ho tondu ni twikoraga ho no otherwise ndugeke undu ucio intentionally meaning wekora class 4 tiga go prioritize maundu ma class 4. I think class 4 thaisi ni twerewa uria turauga tiga go prioritize soka na thari B na thari A wabia a o u e o nona wabia fafa
that's it.
You start from there mugathie mukibuildaga tondu riri twambia kunormalize maundu ma class 4 tajira ni andu igana mukoro mukinyite hau na hatire kindu na hatire undu wa maana mureka jira by the time urakinya miaka 30 by the time urakinya miaka 35 ugukorwo wonete andu igana kana wikite maundu ma class 4 na andu igana na hatire handu muratwarana unaona kana.
So how do you get to know that tumeanza na mtu class 4? How long should it take for anyone to know by the way hakuna kitu hakuna mahali
akikora wadi we serious there is any specific time it can take a week. Ndo ahiro kidu itago sixth sense ndo ahiro kidu itago intuition ndo ahiro kidu itago instincts nona it might take a week no ikare wiki imwe no ikare mweri no ikare mwaka mugima uru ni ate tuonaga ati anga ni mathaa turate na ndigwiciria anybody that has come in your life has come in your life for a reason. Nona
what could be the reason?
What happens is ni tondu wa mere ituna kwenda maundu tutagire gukorwo tukienda kana tukianjia na muri kindu kiria kiarehire mundu ucio ri gikakorapto toko mundu uyu okire nigetha guteithie wira kiwira
business wise
ngai nionire hakiri yoyo no yuri cioka hamwe ri no mwikega podcast pole no mwikega podcast na ka podcast no kau no gathie yani ka podcast ga gikuyu no ithwene ya mwire ne ndajira ni ndenda maundu ma crash
now think of this like the very way my put ilikuwa all about a podcast but the more I'm getting to do hizo podcast now and I realize oh my god this is the person I would want for me and I happened to initiate gakwira dada
agadireda
naona ukagatiri re nego gekonoha
whomstamai to know how you
it is not my wedding Tiedi wako gukonoha
yeah
get it plant trees they kinarale yako hada miti nirahada miti wow
eriko
nie drageriria gwetha handu ingihanda nie guku komete
kaina ni well ni no yurire no komete
no irakira
toko ni wetara kinyira
irange
ni wega dikere muhandi mete
nie reke
we
digress ni no me today ni draigua go macembe homa ka iri guko majirani ni ando
ni marutite wira
ando ni marari
ando maroire kaundu kau serious
ni no ni ndirari na itheru
oi
miti ni mihandi mi we anyway so oh my god on Anidora but what I was trying to say ni
ni maehe okuga atiriri you have had the mate
yeah yes
you have done of class 4
yeah
na nirenda guthie na mbere na mundu
like nidona this is
konoha
dokonyonoha but wo kinipea it was for your own kutaka kujua who I am how I do it
yeah
but me I want to pursue you as a person
no ni detekera
yeah so
what's the problem
now the problem is heri ungeniambia tukianza hapo uniambie we naomenya terere bro as we are going down the plantation
ni direct amount wegi
muti nugo turahanda na ni ndikwenda uikare haha ukiwitagiriri mai ndikwenda urimire it was for today and maybe a few days to come
sabe ki hau tutika iguane tondu riri even you are coming to hand the mate yeah wao kagana macembe maku na mahoma uhande
ni yako mutiomere
relax let me kiria
relax
yes relax you came with the shebe and the homa
yes
you have come to plant the trees me yeah
with my class 4 studies
yeah
previous studies
yeah even me I saw when githomo mpaka class 4 nikasema twende kazi unaona hatiari opportunity ya kwirana atiriri niguo ndirenda tiguo ndirenda where after you have handed the mate niguo wona atiriri akakairetu gakari akamwiretu ayuri akakimuru unaona when wage siria riu ri
agahada mutiri njagiro kurora
ni unaona riu ri urona hititie muno tondu ndirenda urore muti wa handa nawe na nie ngona uhitetie muno tondu riri urenda kurera muti na nie ndirari ni that was not the intention nona hatire mundu uhitetie haha ni uria intentions yaku ri cirari o na ciakwa cirari o na nikio ndirauga atiriri undu uyu wa kuhanda muti ri ukaga ugakora maundu maingi muno tondu nona riu ni twakinya handu twina dilemma tungianjiria na this conversation tuge niiri ni ndiracaria mundu tungikara tumenyane twakinyania tuone ni handu tungikarania you know we move to the next step sawa we ukanjira ni hau ndikinyete ukamenya uyu aca mukihanda na mite yo mugikinya class 4 ni muramenya ha atiri kindu kingi kingithie na mbere inywe no kwihia murehia ni murehia ni wendiwa wanyu ni
ngoma ici
moseji
ya mutare haki muga kwa ngoma muga si
oda mna ngoma